The old way of doing things was using a rack or a bench system to straighten your cars and trucks. These tend to be very large, complicated, and time-consuming to set up, and very difficult to work around once the car is on them. Most companies only use their pulling equipment for 20% of the time. The stall that the rack is in is unused space and not being utilized for 80% of the time. By using the wedge clamp frame straightening system, when it's not in use, it goes on the wall and frees up your stall, which gives you 100% space utilization in your body shop all of the time. It's easy to set up, great to work around, efficient use of space, and only at a fraction of the cost. Start earning more dollars per square foot by using the wedge clamp frame straightening system today.